Storm 5-in-1 S Shape Machine. Body Sculpting Skin Tightening Massage. What makes this S Shape machine stand out? 3D Cavitation Probe. Wider coverage, doubled efficiency. 3D RF handle. Mesh-like tightening, visible lifting. EMS and graphene heat handle. Hands-free massage, elevated comfort. Upgraded Laser Lipo pads. Precision power protection. .6-foot HD touchscreen. Smart, simple, intuitive. Storm 5-in-1 S Shape Machine. Designed for performance. Built for results.